nearly all of the troops Russia amassed on Ukraine's border are now fighting inside the country, a senior Pentagon official said Monday. President Joe Biden has previously said Russia had 190,000 troops in military readiness. Yet even considering the size of the forces, the two main Russian convoys outside Ukraine's major cities of Kharkiv and Kyiv remain stalled, the official said, according to NBC News. Invading Russian forces have struggled to overcome a weak logistical resupply system, which has resulted in scores of tanks and trucks being stranded across eastern and central Ukraine because the vehicles broke down or ran out of gas. The United States will deploy another 500 troops to Europe, bringing the total number of American forces on the continent to more than 100,000, the senior defense official said. In recent weeks, thousands of these troops have taken up positions in countries along NATO's eastern flank, among them Poland, Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia. However, Russia's logistical problems on the ground haven't stopped it from pummeling Ukraine with heavy artillery. To date, the official said Monday that Russian forces have fired more than 625 missiles at Ukrainian targets. The missiles have destroyed residential buildings and city centers across the country, from the coastal city of Mariupol in southeastern Ukraine to the suburbs of Kyiv in the north. Despite the failure of Russian forces to accomplish their current objectives of toppling Kyiv and Kharkiv, the official said the United States has no indications the Kremlin is preparing to move additional active-duty troops to the front. Nevertheless, the senior defense aide cautioned that Russia still has an awful lot of personnel and firepower available. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.